How to change Facebook page name. In this video, I will show you how to change your Facebook page name. The first step is to open or launch the Facebook mobile application, just like you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app where. From there, tap on the menu option at the top right corner of the screen. This is the menu section of your Facebook page. On this page, there are several shortcuts. Make sure you tap on this one named Pages. If yours does not appear here, tap here to show all the shortcuts and you'll able to see it. After that, you will see your Facebook pages. Next, you have to switch to the Facebook page you want to change the name for, just like I've done here. This is the homepage of the Facebook page, as you can see here. Next, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. You will be taken to the menu section of your Facebook page. After that, scroll to the bottom of the page. Next, make sure you tap on this option named Settings and Privacy. The section expands to reveal more options, as you can see here. From them, tap this one named Settings. This is the settings page of your Facebook account. On this page, there are options that you can use to manage and make changes to the settings of the app. After that, scroll down. Ensure you follow all the steps shown carefully to avoid making mistakes. Come to this section named Audience and Visibility. Under the section, there are more options, as you can see here. From those options, make sure you tap on this one here named Page Setup. You will then be taken to this page where there are sections that can help you find what you are looking for. From them, there is this one at the top of the page named Name. What you have to do first is to tap here, View. After that, you will see this page with the name of the page. Next, you have to enter the name of the page here in this field. Be aware that if you make a mistake, then you won't be able to change your page name for another 60 days. So check the changes you have made carefully, and after that, proceed and tap here, Review Change. Facebook will review the change, and then if everything is okay, they will respond to you with a solution. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to change Facebook page name.